Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. If you're out in the wintertime and you get lost or stuck or just want to camp out, there are several ways to make a bivouac in the snow. One is to make a snow cave, but then you have to compact the snow to make sure that it doesn't collapse during the night. Another way, a more easy way that I'm going to show you now, is to make a trench bivouac, where you dig a trench and that keeps you out of the wind. And you can build a roof using branches or ski poles. You can use fir branches and or a tarp if you have one. So now I'm going to show you how to make a trench bivouac. So here we have a trench that is long enough for a person to lie down in. As you can see, the walls are just 2-3 feet high, but it's enough to get you out of the wind. Remember to put the opening so the wind doesn't blow straight through. Now for the roof, you can use branches and add up fir branches. I'm going to use a tarp this time because I'm in my own backyard and I don't want to ruin my firs here. Here, just cut down some small saplings. And I use some sturdy ski poles as well. And now I can add the roof, in my case a tarp. I'll weigh the tarp down with snow. Quite deep snow here. If you're using a tarp like this, you want to make sure to tuck down the edges of the tarp deeper into the snow and cover it with snow so the wind won't catch it. But otherwise, here we got a little trench bivouac in the snow. I'm going to try that out tonight. But now I'm going to do the acrobatic maneuver of climbing into this little hole here. Okay, a slight claustrophobic feeling in here, and but it's a nice temperature in here. You can always put your bag up as an extra door. So this kind of trench bivouac in the snow, it's kind of claustrophobic. Next time I'd make it a little bit wider, since if you touch the walls with your sleeping bag, the cold kind of seeps in. It's kind of hard to get in and out, but kept me warm for the night. Well, that was a quick film on how to make a snow trench bivouac in the snow. I hope you found it useful. Might come in handy one day. If you did, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.